how to redeem Fortnite card or how to redeem your Fortnite V-Bucks gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Business, and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem your Fortnite gift card or Fortnite V-Bucks gift card. Now the process itself is quite simple. What you want to do is on your device you want to head into your browser, and on your browser you want to search in for redeem V-Bucks gift card. You want to type in, and once you type that you'll get this first link where it says www.fortnite.com. You can see the Fortnite V-Bucks. So you want to go ahead into the first link. There you want to tap on get started option. It'll ask you to log into your account. In my case I'm already logged in. You can see since you're logged in into your Epic account, please enter the code from the back of your V-Bucks card. So you want to enter the pin code from the back of your gift card, enter it here and tap on next. Once you enter it and tap on next, it'll ask you to select the platform you want to use your V-Bucks on and other details. You want to enter in those, and once you enter it you want to tap on redeem, and you want to go ahead and confirm your details and you'll be able to redeem it. So this way you can redeem a Fortnite gift card or V-Bucks gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.